Okay, okay. If you do that, sometime there was a temporary file. If you have cache on your laptop
Yes,
or your desktop, it will be get slow. Sometime internet connection will be dropped, something like that.
yes, you're right.
So
Okay,
always, I'm always cleaning my laptop temporary file, so it will be get good internet connection.
oh, okay, okay.
So this
I will,
one and
I will use also. Okay, temporary file.
okay,
Yes, I
and
know. Okay,
yeah,
so
temp
so
and there's a two
temporary, and there is
commands.
another file also. There is another some files also. I will forget now because before I was doing like this, but now I will again when some after a few hours or after one day I will clear the temporary files.
Yeah, yeah. I gave in the message two commands, so you
Yes,
try that both, so it,
yes.
it will be
These.
remove your temporary
Oh
file.
yes, I understand now.
Mm.
Okay, so we was talking on the trading volume with the binary option. That
Yeah,
the volume which is traded in the forex market, we only analyzing that volume and taking the decision in the binary option trading because we have only 1 minute or 5 minute expiry time. In this time,
yeah,
we must understand the signal and take the decision and we can apply in the trading. So the basic two things we know about the volume analysis, that one thing is price we know and then the volume. So these two things we know. Now we are moving to the next topic. That topic is a validation and anomaly. That is the pillar of the volume analysis. We can say this validation and anomaly is very important. If we not understand these two topics, it means all the signals is waste for us. We must understand these two things. It means when I talk about these two things, you must pay attention on these things. So
okay,
these are the main signal of the VSA. All the signals are depend upon the validation and the anomaly of the candles of the price and the volume bus also. So in this validation and anomaly, these are the two terms. We are matching two things. If A capital and A small, it means it matched. We can continue to the B as B. It's matching. Again, we can continue to the C. Now C and here the D. These two things are not matching to each other.
yeah,
When before this sequence was matching to each other, but now this sequence is not matching. When not matching, that is anomaly. When matching, that is a validation. Validation is a process when two things we match to each other, and when they match and after comparing they matched each other, it means that is a validation, that is the authentication that you can go further in same direction. And the anomaly, these are two more those things which not matching to each other. So here, if the movement is like this, a strong movement, the volume must be strong. When the
okay,
movement is strong, the volume is strong, that is the validation.
okay,
If the movement is very small and the volume is small, that is a validation. It means the price moving with the effort. Effort is small, the movement is small. Effort is high, the movement, the result is high. These two things are validating each other. The price and the volume is validating each other. It means that is the authentication that you can go in the continuation phase. And here I saw this one candle with the this strongness body, and the volume is little bit. It shows that why when the result is so much high, why the effort is low. With very little effort, why result outcome is very high. So this thing shows that that is something wrong. Anomaly is an abnormal something when the two things not matching to each other. Okay, so if
okay,
someone say you that Isaac is talking, but you know my voice, but there was another people, you can clear that no, he's not Isaac, he's another people. So it means this recognition of the volume and the price. When the effort and volume is not matching to each other, we can say that is something wrong, and wrong is what? Wrong is the anomaly. So if the very small bar you saw, either it's a red or green, no problem. But the volume is so much high, what is that? That is something wrong. It means if they, buyers and sellers, they put so much effort, why the result is so much low? Do you hear me, Anfas? Hello? Anfas, do you hear me? Hello, Anfas. Anfas, do you hear me?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, today this problem again irritating. So today we must consider this problem. Okay, so we was talking on this thing. So I'm showing you some showing you something. You cannot minimize when you are recording. Okay. Here there are some files I want to show you. These are the slides.
Okay.
And in these slides, you can understand that.
Screen is not shared yet.
Okay, I'm sharing. Okay. Now we are looking.
Okay.
Okay. So in this case, these two things, validation and anomaly. So these are the example of the validation, and these four example of the anomaly. In this each bar, volume and effort is matching to each other. This volume and effort, this price is matching to each other. The small movements, the small volume matching to each other. That is a validation. In this case, that is an anomaly, because price result is so much high, why volume is decreasing, why volume is decreasing, why volume increasing, price is so much low. So these are the anomaly examples, and these are the validation examples. In each bar, when you look into chart, you will see these anomalies. These are the signals of the wrong movements. When you consider these signals, you cannot take decision in the continuation in the shape of the anomaly. But validation, you can continue the decision. Okay. So then these are the only single candlestick, validation and anomaly. But sometimes in the chart, we are trading the multiple bars. There are so many candles in the chart, in the context. So these, what shows, look at. The candles movement is moving, rising, increasing, increasing. Volume is increasing, increasing, increasing. That is a valid move.
Okay.
This trend will continue more. You will see the pullback in the shape of one candle or two candle because of any resistance. But again, you will see the market will continue more up when the price and the volume both are increasing. But the same move, same candles, these are moving, but the volume, first two bar increasing, now the volume is decreasing. It shows that the power of the buyers is very, very low, very, very weak. So they cannot continue. When the resistance appear, after on the resistance, the sellers will start so much powerfully. They will continue to downtrend. The red candles in the multiple bar situation, the price is moving, increasing, and volume also increasing. That is a sign of continuation of the downtrend. When the price, same condition, price, volume increased, but now the volume is decreasing. It means in the near support level, it will be work, and the market will reverse from that support level. So the first concept we learn that support and resistance when work, when that we found any weakness in the trend.
Okay.
When you find any weakness in the trend, in the candles, the nearest support and resistance will work. When there is no weakness in the support and resistance, all the support and resistance will be broken by these bars. So that is the main concept about the support and resistance, that support and resistance will respected when the trend is weakening. Okay. When the trend is weakening, then support and resistance will be respected. And trend is strong, these support and resistance will be broken. There are three concepts of the support and resistance. It's very important with the volume analysis. I'm going to show, tell you about these concepts. When the sellers close on the above the support level, so sellers have two more choice. If they want to leave, the buyer will start from the closing price, and the new opening price must be from the closing price. The one opportunity that was, if they don't want to, they are not interested, they can leave the opportunity and buyer can start from here. And the second opportunity they have, if they want to break the level, even they are closed above the support level, the opportunity is there. The concept of the market, the rule of the market, if you want to change the entry point and start from here, you can break the level. So that is a chance. Yes. Sellers have a chance. If you want to change the entry point from closing to another entry point, you can break, but there must be resistance level. In the previous side, there must be resistance level. On the resistance level, you can start, because these resistance sellers will help you. You can break the level. The third opportunity you have, even you are closing on the support level, you have an opportunity. If you have so much power, you can jump down to skip the level. You can go down. But here on this, in this price, you don't have a support any. If there is a support, maybe the buyers will start from this support. So it must not be support. If there is a support, then buyer will start. If there is no support, the sellers will continue from here. That is a concept of the broken, the support and resistance in the market. The one they can change the entry point from the that is a up jump up, and that is a jump down. But you can say that that is a overlapping, the little bit overlapping of the candle. They can overlap the candle. You can say that is overlapping support and resistance. And after that, these support and resistance will work when the price reaches here. So that is little bit about the support and resistance. It means that now you can, if you don't have this knowledge, then now you are able to understand that they have two opportunities. They can break the support and resistance level by these concepts. These are the market rules. So here about the validation and anomaly, do you clear?
Yes.
Okay. So validation and anomaly, it's very important. Okay. So now I'm showing you something more, and that will be the introduction of the all topics. Okay. So in this introduction, just I gave you about the volume and price and the validation and anomaly of the multiple bars. Now just I'm giving you the overview of other topics. So the overview of the other topics are these, that the VSA depend upon the components. These components are the volume and price. And after that, the VSA have a stages. These stages are the accumulation, markup, distribution, markdown. The accumulation is a what? We are using this type of market, that is a demand. So demand is accumulation. In the price action, we can use demand. In the VSA, we use the accumulation. Okay. And markup, that is a downtrend.
Okay.
That is downtrend. It means in the VSA language, you can say that is a markdown. And uptrend in the VSA language, you can say that is a markup. Okay. So in the markup, in the markdown, in this movement, we will find the signals. These signals are the application of the VSA. In the markup phase, in the markdown phase, these application we will find. And these application name are SAW and SOS. SAW is what? Sign of weakness, sign of strength. So when in the downtrend, we will see the sign of weakness. When we see the weakness in the downtrend, we will prepare for the uptrend. When we see SOS sign of strength of the sellers in the uptrend, we will prepare for the downtrend. So these two applications have 9 concepts.
Okay.
The sign of weakness have 9 concepts. The sign of strength have 9 concepts. Each and every concept have some signals. It means you can understand that 20 signals with this and 20 signals with this. So total 40 signals you will learn with this course. So there are so many concepts. Inside these are 9, and inside these there are other concepts. So 20 signal you will learn in the downtrend, and 20 signal you will learn in the uptrend. So of these 20 signals, you can make the decisions of the you are selling the contract or you are purchasing the contract. So these movement, the sow movement,
Okay.
these are the upthrust, buying climax, selling buying effort less than result, bullish effort is greater than result, no demand bar, pseudo upthrust, inverse pseudo upthrust, and these each topic have some specified candles which we are using in the price action. When these signals appear, we will use these price action candles. These type of price action candles. These type of price action candles we will use in these setups. So these candles and below the volume bars will show us the about these topics, these signals. And when we find this weakness in the trend, we apply for the buying and selling opportunities. So that is the concept of that is the topics related to the VSA which we will learn in this course, and there are some more things in this course. So these are the things are related in these application. All from here, these things are related in the application. Application have 18 concept, and 18 concept have 40 signals. So all these things you will learn in this application. Slowly, step by step, I will give you the understanding about these all the signals, step by step.
Okay.
And then we will make some strategies, some sure shots. When we understand all the concept, we will create some strategy. I will give you the idea that how we can create the strategy. So in the 40 signals, maybe the 10 signals you will be master on the 10 signals. So with these 10 signals, how we can create the strategy, I will give you understanding. Maybe we cannot use all the 40 signals. You will be master in the 10 signals. That will be very accurate and that will be very powerful. You can use these 10 and make any strategy and wait for these signals. When the signal appear, then you can use for the buy and sell purpose. And then one thing I'm going to clear you here. So VSA signal have a two type of signals. Two type. Which one? One is the immediate reversal. Okay. The one type is immediate reversal.
Okay.
And the another type is near future reversal. Okay. Near future reversal.
Okay.
So when some signals appear, you will wait for the 1 to 2 minutes. When the price reaches to the resistance or when the price reaches to the support level, then you have to place the order of the resistance and the support. It means you will get signal here. You will get signal here. On these area, you will get signal. You prepare for the 2 minutes. When price reaches to the candle, to the resistance, then you have to place the order. It will goes down. But some signals are immediate effects. When signal appear and there is a resistance level, you can place these orders from here. If the signal appear and resistance is far away, you wait for the resistance. Then price reaches to the resistance level, then you can place these orders. So VSA give us a pre-signals and immediate effects signals. And there are some sure shots in the VSA.
Okay.
I will give you the understanding. There are so many people are confused with the psychology, candlestick psychology, that they are thinking that the price action is different and the psychology of the candlestick is different. No, the psychology is a part of price action. It's not another different education. When we know about the behavior of any person, any product, any action, that behavior always appearing because of any shape. So this is a shape. When in the market, when this shape is appearing, we can understand that is a pressure from the bias. If that is a green candle, so after this the next candlestick can goes up. So that is a shape, and the behavior of this candle is the next movement will be in the up direction. So that is a psychology. So psychology we can understand from the shapes. When again and again these shapes are appearing in the market, after this shape what will be happen? And we can judge these movements. After results we judge that we are saying that these are the psychology of these patterns. Each and every pattern have a psychology. Each and every movement have a psychology. Each and every reverse rejection have a psychology. So in the candle, if this rejection we can measure, we can looking and then we can say that that is the rejection from the sellers. So it's a shape and that is a behavior. So this behavior is called as psychology of the candle. So candlestick psychology is that always again and again these shapes are appearing happen in the market, and we are taking the decision on these shapes because behalf of the experience. Because so many times we judge these rejections, these type of shapes. So these behaviors told us that the next candle move in the upward or in the downward. So these are the only the behavior. That is a psychology of the candles. So in this psychology also you can this psychology with the volume. So when this type of volume, if this type of volume appear with this type of candle, so what will be the next move? You can say that is the volume psychology also. But the overview of the other traders are different. They are thinking that that is another thing. If that is another thing, I found the VSA because that is a study. That's why I found the VSA. I found the price action because that is a study. I found the Elliott waves because that is a study, that is a theory I can found. But even still, I cannot found the candlestick psychology on the internet because that is a behavior. The behavior is taken from these studies, and if we are looking at the behavior, we can understand the psychology of each and every move. Okay, so that was just a little bit overview about the course. So now you can understand that what you will learn in this course and how you can analyze the market in these topics, in these signals. So from tomorrow, your day by day, step by step session will start, and each and every these topics will be covered on the stepwise. So I will give you understanding on the note page about these patterns. Then we will go to the live chart and we will search these all the results in the market. And after completing all the things, all the topics, then we will go to the live trading, that how we can apply this concept in the live trading also. Before I will give you the idea that how I am applying these concepts in front of you. I will trade some trades on each and every setup. Then you will understand how I'm taking the trades in the live market. After that, when any signal will appear, you will tell me that now the signal is appear, now trade here or here, that I can understand. Is there any confusion with your concept that you are still need to improve? So then these both practices we will do on the live market. Before I will give you understanding about the trading, that how behalf of the volume analysis how we can trade. And then after this practice I will ask from you that now tell me where I can buy, where I can sell, where I can buy, where I can sell, that I can understand you understand all the things or not. Okay, brother?
Okay, sure.
So this will be daily. We will take some setups. Some a topic have so many concepts. So maybe on the one day we only learn the 2 topics. Sometimes we will learn the 4 topics. Sometimes we will learn the 3 topics. But we must cover these all the signals, all the concepts in the 3 days or in the 4 days, and after that 3 to 4 days we will consume on the trading. Okay, that you can understand that all the concepts are working, and this is just not a study, this is not a theory, it's also working in the real market. Okay, brother.
Okay, sure. Okay, sure,
Okay,
sure.
I'm sending you these recordings. Okay, thank you.
Okay, okay, sure, sure.
Okay,
So
thank you.
when my next class will be start?
On the tomorrow 9:30 p.m. same
Okay,
time.
okay. Only Sunday I can't
Yes,
join the
only
class
yes.
because
Sunday also I have a holiday. Also, this day
okay,
I
okay, okay.
go with the family. On the other weekends,
Okay.
Saturday we can do, and the Monday from we can continue. Okay. Okay, brother.
Yes, sure, sure, sure. Thank you. The same time.
Okay, same time.
Yes, yes, sure.